You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Starting with the one of the greatest name of Allah, who is the most merciful, beneficial, and creator of all over this universe. Then I will thank my teacher, judges, anchor, and all crowd who are listening here. Tonight, the topic I'm going to elaborate among all of you is that each university after each subject each university offered each subject by. See, in every school many subjects are there, science, math, this kind of subject are there. But here if we go at university level, so physics, chemistry, to become as like a doctor or as like an engineer. So here I say that people, for many of people, and they have many of subjects for there. So they need for that a perfect teacher. That teacher should teach them a perfect. But not only that he should teach perfect, also that honesty. So same here I talk that where each university offer each subject, but means that they need honest people to teach their child. That are honest, that our children should also learn the subject, but also learn how to do honest, how to respect their teacher. Thank you, that's all.
Yes. First subject.
Earlier you are saying that every university needs some teachers for any subject. So I think it is obvious enough, every person know very well that if there is any university, so there will be so many teachers, and there will be teacher according to the subject that he will teach that subject. And you are saying that the teacher, he must be the university one appointed teacher if he is a honest man. So I think every teacher, if there is any teacher, he must be a sincere and honest. Otherwise, he is not a teacher. But I think I didn't get any coordination between your presentation.
I also don't understand the compare between your dresses. See, here if you talk like that if a teacher is not honest, so here is not a teacher. So here if we go government school, many teachers are there. Their job is to do and to teach child with honesty. They are in there to talk with your boyfriend. So that's called honesty. No, my dear, it's not called honesty. A man should be honest that his time is to give 1 hour teaching to his child. So he should go there, first he should teach them. Then whatever his personal thing is there, he should do after. The same way I talk that if you understand, so that's not my problem.
See, Mr. Arkham, you said so easily that each university prefer each subject. So kindly tell me, if a one big man go in IBA and learn and say that let me teach engineering, let me teach science, and if a one person go in NED and say that let me teach commerce and accounting, so what the reply will he get from their man?
Might you haven't understand, so that's how see here if you talk like that here if a child has planned, so here if you want to teach, so they would not give, definitely they would not give. If a child first should be honest with his own self, he should be honest, he should put a belief on himself that I am honest, I can do the job which they will provide me. So that's something.
Not wrong. So last question. Last question from this side.
My dear, you are saying that in any university it is going to say that there will be honest teacher. But I want to tell you the criteria of that. If you want to go to any federal university, so there is a Federal Public Service Commission exam for that. And if you want to go to any provincial university, there is a Provincial Public Service Commission for that. It doesn't mean that it is not any club that every person will go there and he will perform. I think that if you are able to clear that criteria, after that you can enter in that university. Otherwise, you are a common man.
What a knowledge man.
who they have no education but having the skill how to speak English, learning them, and after that if we would see them, so all if being getting that English, that people don't put them for working, people put them that they would talk abroad and we would get benefit. So by that we can also mean that honesty is first, after that all things will go.
Thank you.